Hi friends, welcome to Morgan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create photo frame effects in PowerPoint. Our presentation going to be like this. So we are going to create a photo frame which popping out from the frame, and second one we are going to create a scrolling effect of photos. Let's go and learn how to create this in PowerPoint. Click on new slide, blank slide, go to insert, shapes, under shapes, under basic shapes, select the frame. Hold the shift button and drag it like this, and adjust the frame size by clicking on the yellow button like this. Change the color maybe to like this, and shape outline, no outline. Right click, shape format shape, go to size and properties, rotate by 45 degree. Again go to insert, shapes, select a rectangle, hold the shift button and draw a square like this. Select and no outline. Go to select both the shapes, go to align, align center, align middle. Now we need to fragment these two pictures. Select both the picture, go to format shape and go to merge shapes and select the option called fragment. This will fragment the picture. Then we have to color it off the picture frame. So we have colored the shape and we have to make these shapes combine. Go to format shape, merge shape and make it combine. Now balance portion, this picture, this, again this one we have to make it combine. We'll give a different color for this one, and the small edges pieces will give a different colors. Select all 4 small pieces and we'll give a some gray color. Okay, we have created the frame. Now we have to put the picture on this shape. I have downloaded the picture. Let me take this picture. We have to cut this shape into a square because we have to paste this into square. So let's go, click on this picture format, click on crop, aspect ratio will select 1:1. So this is the area we're going to take it. If required, we'll adjust. Now cut this picture, right click on this, go to picture and text fill, and clipboard we have to put paste. So automatically this picture has come. So we have created one picture. Select all, drag it and paste it this side. So we'll keep a duplicate of this. We'll take one more picture. Let's take this picture. Again, we'll cut this picture into square shape. So we'll go to aspect ratio 1:1. Cut this paste. Click this format shape. Go to picture and text fill. Clipboard. We just copied this, and we'll change the photo frame color to maybe a yellow color like this. So we have created the photo frame effect. Let's animate the picture. First, let's change the background, format background. Go to gradient fill. Let's choose this gradient. Then select on both the picture. Right, go to animations, more entrance animations, grow and turn. Choose this one and animate like this. So we'll animate picture one by one. Let's go to animation pane, select this one and on click. So we have learned the photo frame effect in PowerPoint. Thank you friends. We'll catch up in the new video in the next week. Bye.